Hello everyone. So it's 2022 and I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous 2022 and I wish you achieve whatever you have planned for in this year. So साल के पहले संडे के साथ मैं आपके साथ एक नया वेब सीरीज लेके आया हूँ जिसका नाम है गुड्डू टॉक्स, जिसमें गुड्डू यानी कि मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस आप सबके साथ शेयर करूंगा. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो 31 दिसंबर की रात मैं बैठ के सारे कंट्रीज के सेलिब्रेशन वीडियोस देख रहा था एंड माय पर्सनल फेवरेट वाज द वन डन एट ट्राइडेंट होटल एंड गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इन मुंबई. दिस वाज इट. अब क्योंकि मैं मुंबई से हूं, मुझे मुंबई सबसे बेस्ट सिटी लगती है वर्ल्ड में. आई एम श्योर एवरी मुंबईकर वुड अग्री टू दिस, इवन इफ दे आर इन लंडन, New York or any other city in the world. If you don't agree to this, I'm sure you need to live in Mumbai. It's very normal for people to feel homesick when they are away from their country. It basically means they miss their friends, their families, or the food basically. But it's a terrible problem when Mumbaikar feels this, because they miss this. So the case was not very different for me, as 2021 was the most difficult year of my life because I was not in Mumbai for even a single day in this year. But it was a big learning curve to stay alone away from the family and the most desirable and comfortable city of the world. क्योंकि इसके पहले मैं कभी बोर्डिंग स्कूल या हॉस्टल एनवायरनमेंट में नहीं रहा था. I was always living with my family. So I've created a list of things which I have learned in 2021 which helped me manage myself away from home in a foreign country. First in the list is cooking. Cooking can help you earn and save money as much as you can. I'll give you an example of both of them. Saving. So as I'm in the UK, I'll use sterling pound and INR for the comparison in this particular example. So the value of 1 sterling pound equals to 100 Indian rupees. So for example, on 31st of December, I decide to treat myself and go out for dinner. So an average meal in the UK costs around 10 pounds to 25 pounds depending on the meal. We will consider 10 pounds for our ease. So if I eat 2 such meals a day, 10 pounds each, I'll spend 20 pounds on meals itself in a day, excluding breakfast and snacks. If this goes on for the month, it will cost me around 600 pounds, which is around 60,000 Indian rupees. On the flip side, if I visit a cheap supermarket and get all the groceries required to cook food and eat for myself, I'll get the groceries in around 25 to 30 pounds for the entire month, which comes up to 3,000 Indian rupees. So the choice is yours, 60,000 Indian rupees or 3,000 Indian rupees. So now we'll come into earning. Most of the international students do want to work part-time to help themselves while living here. Most of the part-time jobs are into hospitality sector or chefs or cooking. So if you know how to cook, you can easily get a part-time job in a restaurant or a hotel, where you can earn around 10 to 12 pounds an hour. So this helps you to earn around 800 pounds a month as your part-time income, which comes up to around 80,000. Not only this, but some restaurants even offer perks like meals and takeaways for the chefs and the cooks. Second in the list is managing your expenses. While coming from India, I carried 500 pounds of cash with me and managed 8 months in the UK in those 500 pounds. If you would like to know how, comment down in the comment section and let me know. And the third and the most important point is making connections and friends. After coming to a different country, it's not about just scoring marks in the subjects. वो सब तो आप कर ही लोगे. आपको अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे, डिग्री मिल जाएगी, जॉब मिल जाएगा, but you meet a lot of people from different countries, different mindsets, different backgrounds and different experiences as well. So building connections with them might not only help you in your professional career but also gives you a wider perspective of life as a whole and your personality development as well. And that was the video, guys. I think these perspectives of mine can help you make your life smoother in a foreign country. If you like more such videos and informations, Please like, share and subscribe this video and tag those people who can benefit from it. Thank you so much. Have a good year ahead.